Traders, XRP Ripple, monthly time frame. Let's even go to the weekly. Have a look at that. All right, this thing has rallied. It's skyrocketed out of nowhere. What I want to show you is this. Let's just go back in time. Okay, this will do. Let's start here. Rallies, okay, and then it pulls back with a vengeance. A little bit of a rally. Pulls back with a vengeance. This was nice. Definitely rallied here. And, you know, that would have been nice for a lot of people who closed up at the highs here. But look at the pullback. What I'm getting at is every time we see a move like this, we seem to get an equal and opposite, you know, reaction. Okay, it pulls back in a similar price range to the rally or to the expansion. Okay, it rallied here, another one, and then we had quite an extensive downtrend, but yeah, it pulled back, right? Trends down, and each one of these moves here, YouTube went absolutely berserk. All right, all the moon boys came out and we were off to the moon and everyone was promising we were getting rich. You know, we saw Lambos and everything's flying around out there. YouTube, okay, look at this move here. Okay, equal and opposite. So my question is, and I mean, look, even these moves here, guys, don't get emotional with this thing, because time and time again, 100% of the time, every one of these rallies has resulted in pretty much an equal and opposite move in the other direction. 100% of the time, 100% of the time. Why is this any different? Right, so we get that. This is a price swing. It's a price swing, and look, I'm bullish. My bias is definitely to buy, but you want to, you know, approach this with a level head. Pull a Fibonacci from low to high, and at least look for a discount. This here is the discounted zone, and up in here is a premium zone. Do you want to be buying at a premium, or do you want to be buying at a discount? I guess that's the question. My preference is definitely the latter. So, you know, with this at the moment, I mean, look, it could mess around here for a little while. Let's have a look at the daily. I did a similar video to this on Bitcoin, and a whole bunch of haters came out and got a little bit abusive and told me I didn't know what I was talking about. And you can have a look at that. That's in here. If we go through these, it was a Bitcoin. Is this on the verge of a crash? And, you know, the crash I'm talking about, you know, this has moved into an overextended state, and it just makes sense that it pulls back into at least into a premium. And, you know, I mentioned in that video that I wouldn't be buying up here. I was looking for the pullback, and then, you know, if it sets up, then there's an opportunity to get long. All right, so the thing in that video was, you know, I don't buy at a premium. I want this to come back down into this level. Yeah, and so I copped a bit of abuse for that, and I'm expecting more of the same in this video. But guys, what I want to say to you is, you know, you got to be careful. You don't follow the hype. You don't get caught up in the moon boy hype, you know, and, you know, you believe this is going to make you rich. And I mean, look, it probably will. But you've got to approach trading in crypto really, you know, in a sensible manner and stay grounded. You know, if you're getting emotional, you know, we're off to the moon and you're jumping up and down and pulling crazy faces like they do on YouTube, and you're getting caught up in all of that, you're trading emotionally, and that's going to be your downfall. All right, so you've got to step back, get grounded, have a look at it from a realistic perspective. Go back and have a look and see what happens every time this thing has rallied. 100% of the time, it's pulled right back into the point of origin. 100%. So, you know, is this any different, right? So I think, bottom line for me, guys, I won't be buying at a premium. I want this to trade back down into a discounted zone. I want to see this trend bearish. So I'm looking for, if we go down to, yeah, even a 1 hour time frame, wherever it happens, I mean, look, it could continue up from here. Who knows, right? That's possible. It could do anything, but I'm not going to get involved up in here anywhere. I'm going to let it go. I'm happy to let it go. I want to see what's been happening 100% of the time, and that is the pullback, and at least into 50% of this price range. Right. So this here is my point of interest right here. Easy. It's as easy as that. As simple as that, I should say. 50% of this price swing I'm interested in here, and I want to see this trend. I mean, look, it could continue up. Okay, fair enough. Let it go. But you know, it could continue down. I'm drawing pencils going berserk. Hang on a second. Let me just fix that up. You know, what I want to see is a break of this range to the downside here. And yeah, that could be an opportunity to short, the retest and fail of this here. But I want to see it, you know, move down into my discount zone, range sideways, and then the volatility kicks in. We see it break market structure, and there's the opportunity to get in at a discount. So, I mean, look, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. For you haters out there that got upset with my last video, this is exactly the same, guys. And I urge you to get real and, you know, get grounded and think about, you know, what you're, you know, how you're approaching the markets. And look, protect yourselves. Trade with good risk management, be sensible, stay grounded, and I think you'd be a lot better off. Okay, so anyway, that's my take on Ripple at the moment. I want the pullback, and yeah, definitely leave a comment, the good or bad, whatever you are, you know, inclined to do. And I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.